This is our kit to study the flip-flop characteristics. We have a clocked SR flip-flop, a clocked D flip-flop, and a clocked JK flip-flop. As we can see, there's a pulse generator over here. There are two inputs and there are two outputs. So we'll first make connection for the SR flip-flop and we'll see the output. So we have made connection for the SR flip-flop. I'll just quickly explain it. This is S, this is connected to the first input. R is connected to the second input. The clock has been connected with the pulse over here. And the output Q is connected and the Q bar is connected to this side. Now we'll see what happens when we have different combinations of input. We've switched on the power. So for 0, 0 input, Q is on. Yeah. Now we will put 0, 1, that is S is 1, sorry, R is 1, S is 0, and we get Q as 0 and Q bar is 1. Now for S as 1 and R 0, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0. Now for both S and R as 1, this is an undefined state, so we will not get any defined output. We have now made connections for the D flip-flop. The D input has been connected with this first input. The pulse has been connected to the clock terminal. The output Q is connected with the red wire and Q bar is connected with the black wire. Now we'll see what we get when we switch on the circuit. So when input is 1, we get Q as 1 and Q bar as 0. When the input is off, we get Q as 0 and Q bar is 1. So basically the output here follows the input. Now we have made connection for the JK flip-flop. So this has been connected. The first input is connected to J. The second input is connected to the K terminal. The pulse has been connected with the clock terminal. The output Q is connected with the red wire and the output Q bar is connected with the black wire. Now we'll see what we get the output as when we have different combination of inputs. So for 0, 0, this is the previous state where Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. Now for 0, 1, that is J is 0, K is 1, we have Q is equal to 0 and Q bar as 1. Now for J as 1 and K as 0, it will change. So we have Q as 1 and Q bar is 0. Now we have both J and K as 1. So this will be the toggle state. So every time we are giving the pulse, the output will toggle, as you can see. So this concludes our characteristics for the flip-flop training kit.
Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.